I didn't see you there. Today we're going to learn about Santa Rita Ranch and positive human impacts. Come join me. Santa Rita Ranch is both a mix of rangeland that is grass and oak forest woodlands. They even have a reserve. As you can see, they also have beautiful views of the ocean. Let's see what else they got. Look, there's a quarry. Let's go see it.
Humans can impact the land in several ways. As you can see here, mining can be a big impact, and it can be a negative impact. A positive way, like now that the Land Conservancy owns this land, they can positively affect this area by introducing more shrubbery and recontouring the land eventually, as well as planting native trees.
It's really cool that this land can be well taken care of now and be restored to its natural state. Let's see what else they have. Let's see what else there is. Look, some water. Mine has pine needles, but yours is green. Anna, can you tell me why?
Yeah, that's fair.
I might do a photo.
Thanks for coming with me. So we're at a beautiful ranch right here. I know my co-host just told you what was going on. So as you can see, there's a lot of green stuff. That is algae, and that may not be good because of reasons, water quality reasons. And the reason it's here is because there's a bunch of cows and they're giving manure. And it being a ranch is not exactly a bad thing, but there are side effects to the amount of animals we have in this area. But there can be good things too. It can keep the invasive species down, as well as increase, if you like use the animal's property, you can increase like fertility of different areas and such in soil. There can also be cow paction. So there's a lot of advantages and disadvantages, but our goal is just to see what's happening here. Thanks for coming.
Riparian area? I only have a plant. Let's go see it.
Hi. So right here we have a riparian area that has been vegetated with a willow species that you can see are really taken off. And then we also still have this riparian water, which is why it's riparian area. So something's going to happen that's going to increase the area's fertility and stuff. There's going to be a fence line put in to cut off cows from this area so that they will not be able to mess with the riparian area, bring in invasive species as well. And then also this fence line is going to cut off a lot of these wooded areas, as you can see back there, and keep them away from that so they won't be as causing problems over there. The cows aren't exactly bad there. With rotational grazing and proper management, they can decrease invasive species in the area. And so I'm happy to have you along on this journey.
Oh, look, they have cows. I'm a sea cow. Let's go see. Wow, those cows are really causing lots of impacts, like turning that reserve green. That was so cool. I want to see what else cows do on the ranch. Anna, will you tell me?
So this is welcome back. This is a area that has been heavily grazed. If you can look behind me, heavy grazing has happened, and that you can probably tell there's been some degradation in this land. But hopefully through different management strategies of their grazing, they'll be able to increase fertility and plant availability, but the drought probably isn't really helping. Yeah, and so that's just one of the things that they do at Santa Rita Ranch is they have rangeland and they graze it, and that's pretty cool.
Water. I love water. Is there anything with water? And maybe wildlife? Thanks for asking. I'll talk all about these water basins. So, let's go.
Hi! Another positive human interaction is these awesome, cool water basins. Not only will it be letting cattle get water easily without having to go and muddy up the stream, it has a really cool ramp. Could you come zoom in? Come with me. Look at this ramp. This thing, so if animals or small things fall in, they can get out. And that's really awesome. And that's cool. People are putting the animals in mind when they're making these things. So, see you later. Oh, the leveler. So, one more thing. Come with me. Look at this. Then, this basically, if the water gets to a certain level, you'll be able to add more. And so it will always be at an appropriate level for the cattle and other wild animals that might use this. With the extreme droughts happening in California, cattle will not be the only ones utilizing this wonderful, wonderful thing.
Wow, it's really beautiful here. I had a really good time. I'm glad I came to see all the fun things. So, thank you for joining me and my manatee friend for our little tour of Santa Rita Ranch. I really hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Peace out.